So I've officially taken the Prius a lot of the way apart. So this is the one that was originally leaking. Now it's got shoes back on it. I didn't do this, but this one was changed. The other one's not. The other one's terrible. And so for some reason, the mechanic that done it only changed one. Well, interesting. If they're all cracked, worn and broken, I just don't believe. This one's completely chewed to nothing. Okay, see? Okay, look, see? Brake pad. See here? Brake pad. And thick. And then it goes down. It's nothing. There's no way that this was on here for just like a week. There's no way. And this one's broken and crunching. I don't know. This is the only seeable problem. Is this is just metal to metal. And this one is clearly the one that was changed. See? This pad. It's all the way around the same size. Interesting. So through lots of research and lots of time on the internet, I've came to the realization that I believe that the parking brake side of the wheel cylinder on the driver's side was stuck engaged. It's the only brake pad that's completely just like worn to the metal, and I could flake it off with my pinky nail. So then I feel as though I can fix this problem. I feel as though I personally can fix this problem, and then I'll have two good running cars, because they both were good running cars until the Prius's brakes started fucking up. So we're gonna go on a journey together. You have to stay with me on the science here. This super wet, super full of brake fluid. Okay, this go on this wheel. This parking brake. This side goes in. This side does not go in. This should go back to and fro, to and fro, to and fro. It's not going fro. So come watch this. This is what you want to see. This one is dry. This one goes this direction. Also going back this direction. This is what you want to see. Probably going to replace both anyways. But I'm pretty sure I found the problem. Because this one's not wet. This one doesn't have brake fluid gushed in it. This side's fine. Supposedly. So I know I've done videos on the Prius, but check this out. This is my 2006 held up by a 2x4 2.5S Nissan Altima 2006. 312,000 miles on it. I'm in the process of kind of wiping it down. But 312,000 miles. All original interior. A little dirty. Used, held up by command strips, but check it out. Got the doors in the trunk open and all that good stuff. Does have a check engine light, but it's for the what is it called? I forget. $312,000 miles. Like I said, with the Prius, she's still how do you say, booty side up. We are hopeful. I need to start her because I do believe in starting a hybrid every single day that's old. So I found out my Altima window wasn't working because it was held up by... I forgot to record me taking all this apart, but yeah, so that is a piece of lawn equipment that has like a hand grip on it that I guess was holding this window up. So that's super fun. I can fix it though.